Hi, first graders. This is Miss Minton with today's math lesson. Today's I can statement says, I can distinguish between shapes and their attributes. Let's get started with the math warm up. Here is our word problem for today. Melvina has 16 cupcakes. She gave some to her classmates. Melvina has 4 left. How many cupcakes did she give away? I would like for you to take a minute to solve this problem. Please pause this video and solve this problem on a piece of paper. When you are done, come back to the video, press play, and we will go over how to solve the problem together. Let's go over how to solve this problem. First, we want to pick some important information out of our problem. We know Melvina started with 16 cupcakes. She gave some to her classmates. We don't know how many she gave away, but she gave them away. So she's taking away from her collection. And we know that at the end of the problem, Melvina has 4 left. And we have to figure out how many cupcakes did she give away. The equation we can use to solve this problem is 16 minus blank equals 4. To solve this, I can draw circles. I'm going to start off with 16 circles. Next, I know I want to have 4 circles at the end, so I'm going to circle the 4 circles that I want to keep. Next, I'm going to count which ones are not in my circle, and that's going to give me the answer that's in the blank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer is 12. Melvina gave 12 cupcakes. Now we're going to take some time to review the 3D shapes we have been going over. First is the cube. It has 6 square faces and 8 vertices or corners. Some real-life examples are boxes and cubes and blocks. Next is a rectangular prism. It's similar to a cube, but instead it only has 2 square faces and it has 4 rectangle faces. So there are still 6 faces total, but part of them are squares and part of them are rectangles. Some real life examples of a rectangular prism could be a stick of butter or books. Next is a pyramid. A pyramid has a square base and 4 triangle faces that come to a point at the top. Next is a sphere. There are no flat areas on a sphere. A sphere is essentially a ball. Some examples are balloons or balls that we play with, like a soccer ball or a basketball. Lastly is the cylinder. It has 2 circled bases, one on top and one on the bottom, and a big curve wrapped around. Some examples are a can of soda or a glass. Take a look at the pictures on this screen. Which of these shapes has a flat surface that is a circle? I would like for you to take a second to pause this video and talk with someone on which of these shapes has a flat surface that is a circle and how you know. When you are done, come back to the video and we will go over it. Let's talk about which of these shapes have a flat surface that is a circle. The first one is this plate. The plate has a flat surface on top and it is the shape of a circle. Next is this can of soup. A can is a cylinder. It has a flat surface that is shaped like a circle on the top and the bottom. This tube of chapstick is also a cylinder. It has a flat surface on the top and the bottom, and that surface is in the shape of a circle. Great job! Let's go over the assignments for today. Today, you will need to complete the activities in the learning packet for day 40. Complete the exit ticket for day 40 on page 10. Don't forget to turn in your work to your teacher. Then log into Edgenuity or Dreambox, depending on which one your class uses, and continue working for at least 15 minutes. Thanks, everybody, and have a great day.